Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I was dropping off Teck off to work, and unfortunately, on the way there, we got a flat. We were able to stop and put a spare on the E36, but right now, I had the chance to finally take those wheels off and put some new ones that was laying around for a very long time. We went from the E36 Style 6 to now the E36 Style 42. This is a picture of how the old wheels looked on the E36. I already did a video on the car, so you might seen them already. And now I'm going to show you guys how the new wheels look. I do plan to buy new ones, but it's not in the budget right now. But let me show you. It's right outside. Whew. It's freaking like 30 something degrees, so it's freezing. There they are. These are the wheels that we put on the car. Style 42. In my opinion, they don't look bad at all. Like, I really like them better than the other ones we had. But since now you've seen them, you can let us know. Comment below you have any suggestions on the wheels. Like I said, I do plan to change them in the future. I just want to get some money together and get some new ones. But for now, I feel like this will do. What do you guys think?